Alright, coming back out after the geometry change. Raised the front by 2 millimeters. I also took out 2 clicks of rebound, added 1 click of compression to the forks, and then with the rear shock, the only change I made was taking out 2 clicks of rebound on the rear shock. So that's all based on the read of the tires. So no problems there. I just want to see how that changes everything in regards to the tire wear. Now the track temperature, we just checked it, was 145 degrees. The cold pressure that I started with this morning, which I set early at 7 a.m. when it was about 65, was 28 rear and 30 front, knowing that we were going to get screaming hot track temperatures today. So let's just make sure the tires are thoroughly warmed up on this first lap. I can definitely feel the geometry and hydraulic changes. The bike's not so willing to chuck itself on its side like it was earlier, so maybe a hydraulic change was all that was needed. If the rebound is too slow, the tire won't stay in contact with the ground, so that would make sense that it was picking the front wheel up under hard acceleration. So I totally get that. So we'll assess it. I mean, it's only 20 minutes to fix it. So let's get through everybody here. Just take our time because there's no rush. Into 14. Yeah, a little more resistant to turning, absolutely. So it'll be interesting to see if we went too far. Also, we didn't bottom out the front end. So let's get on it and see what we can do. 3 laps here. Much slower turn in. As far as feel goes, no loss of edge grip. Alright, so let's put it into 2. Yep, lots of edge grip on the front. I can feel it, no problem. Good drive grip still. Come up on John. We'll be nice to him. Fellow 450 class competitor with AFM. Let's just give him some room here for a minute. I thought about the outside pass, but that was not a good idea. We'll just make the pass here. Nice racing pass. Give him the boot off. Okay. Yeah, front tires right there. Still feels like it's too tall in the front. Maybe that geometry change was the wrong thing. Quite possibly. We'll see. Yeah, much more stable on the brakes. No rear wheel lift there with the change. Throttle, yeah, no problem at all. On the off camber coming out at 13, downhill braking, just have a slight wiggle off the rear, so yeah, maybe that geometry change was the wrong thing to do. It's just pushing a hair wide there. Yeah, it was. Damn, all it needed was just a little change in hydraulic settings. And that shouldn't be a surprise. Modern bikes are extremely sensitive to changes. I can still correct my line if I want to there. No problems correcting the line. So yeah, the geometry change was the wrong thing. Open the rebound up, add a little compression. No issues at all. So we'll go back in and I'll fix that. We'll just verify it again over 7 here. Set up correctly for 6 this time. Missed it. Well, let's focus on 7. Yeah, the front's hunting. A little bit nervous going to full throttle there. Running just a hair wide out of 8. But back in. Geometry change was definitely the wrong way to go. Okay. Well, it's nice when you can assess something that quickly. Braking so significantly better that that's a dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Yeah, tons and tons and tons of edge grip. No problem at all with edge grip. No problem. Lots of grip going into the corner, lots of grip coming out. Wow, it's that sensitive. Okay, back to the proverbial drawing board. Make the geometry change, go back out.